Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is starting from this Friday. The Hindi classes are starting. If you're interested, then please go to the website. The link will be in the description. Okay, you will get all the information. I have already explained many times also that this workshop has been designed for those people who are struggling with the market. If you believe that uh, all the information, all the knowledge will be helping you in your trading journey, then you are most welcome to participate. Okay, everything is mentioned on the website. Okay, now let's go to gold. So this is the chart of gold right now. Okay, so right now gold is trading at 2577 and gold was super bullish for the last few days that it was um it looked like it looked like that gold would break 2600, and we saw the contracts data also that we had a good number of contracts standing at 2600 and finally the level of 26004. We can see that gold is right now taking a pause. Gold is now resting, and as we all know, before a major event like NFP, CPI, FOMC, market stays in a range. Market prefers to stay silent. And we have tomorrow FOMC, so we can expect the present market situation to continue. Or in simple words, we can expect a sideways market till tomorrow because fundamentals give direction to the market, and tomorrow market will be expecting a new direction. Okay, so till then we can expect the gold to remain choppy, gold to remain like this. And if you look at the present market sentiment, we can see gold hovers at record highs, gold steady supported by hopes for a big Fed rate cut. Okay, this is the ongoing market sentiment. And before I proceed with the chart, I would like to make it clear that till tomorrow, do not expect good trading opportunities because the best levels on the chart of gold is around 2530 to 2550, and these levels are far away. And before FOMC, chances of market coming to these levels are very less because the volume will be low. Okay, and let's look at the option chain ones. Okay, because the option chain has been helping us a lot, because when nothing works, this data helps us. Okay, and if you look at the call side, 2600, yeah, there it is. We can see we still have got good number of contracts standing at 2600. Yes, we have there have been some negative change also, but not a major number. Okay, so we still have contracts standing at 2600, and this is the level, okay, that is acting as resistance for the market right now. Okay, and if you look at the put side, okay, surprisingly, okay, if you look at the put side, we can see we do not have any big number. We can see we do not have any big number. Okay, so the downside is little open in comparison to the upside. So what I'm trying to say is that, okay, so market has been very bullish. Okay, market has been very bullish for the last few days. But if we just look at the history, then September is not a very good month for gold. We all know. Okay, so there is a possibility that tomorrow we may get to see a big drop on the chart of gold as well. Okay, so if you're holding a sell on gold right now, you can continue with the sell position as long as gold is trading below 2600. Listen to me carefully. Many of you are having a sell on gold right now. I know it. So if you are having a sell on gold, continue with your sell position as long as gold is trading below 2600, because this data is showing that downside is little open in comparison to the upside. So after FOMC, there is a possibility of gold going below 2600. And in case market goes up, then obviously we will have to follow the trend of the market. After all, trend is above all. Okay, isn't it? Okay, let's discuss the trading opportunities then. So my dear friends, as we can clearly see, the market is trading in a range right now. So buy at support, seller resistance can be the trading strategy for us. Okay, and in this case, the next support on the chart of gold is around 2373.5. Okay, this is the next support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy as a day trader. How much we can expect? We can expect 40 pips. Keep in mind, my dear friend, right now volume is low. That's why we are expecting the minor levels also to work. But during the US session, we have a news coming up, so it will not work. Okay, because they do not have the strength to act as support. The next support on the chart of gold is around 2370 to 2369. This level may work at the during the US session if the volume is not very high. If the market is not crazy, then you can expect this level to provide support to the market. Initially, we can expect a target of 40 pips, but if you see a good buzz, then you can continue. In this market, 40 pips is good enough, and obviously not an ideal market for swing traders or positional traders. If you are already having a position, then it's a different story. But if you are looking for a fresh position as a swing trader, position trader, then you need to wait till FOMC. After FOMC, if market takes a direction, then you can take a position according to the trend of the market. But in this market, okay, you need to be flexible, so we only need to go for day trades only. And why we're considering 247069? Because of FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Earlier also we have discussed the next support on the chart of gold will be around 2555 level. This is a good level because not only we have FIBO 38.2, but we have the 50 moving average coming up, sorry. And then okay, 2550 to 2545. Okay, this is also a good level because of FIBO 50 and 50 being a round number. So on the chart of gold, you can see we have discussed multiple layers of support. Okay, because this is over a bullish market, and the levels of 255045, 2555 are far away. So still we are discussing, because in case market drops, market is full of surprises, okay, with big red candles, then we can look for support around this area. And if market remains like this, then obviously we can look for a quick bounce around 2373, 2370 area. Okay, and see, this is the 50-minute chart of gold right now. We can see market trading in a very tight range. And if market goes up during the day, then yes, we can look for a resistance around 2490 to 2600. Okay, if you do not want to take any position, if you do not want to go for any sell, no need to go for it, because this is a risky level. This is a very crucial level. Personally, I will not go for any sell. I guess I have not made my mind yet. Okay, but this is a very risky, or I think this is a very crucial area right now, because as long as market is trading below this level, we have a chance of a trend reversal. And if market breaks 2600, things will change completely. Market will be super bullish again. So time will speak. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friend, we are retail traders. So only way to survive in this market is to be flexible. So behave according to the situation and follow proper risk management. Do not try to predict the market. Okay, because okay, hope, praying to God is not a trading strategy. Okay, and do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. Okay, and if you do not get any trading opportunity also during the day, do not lose hope, do not lose patience, because market is not going anywhere. Okay, we need to safeguard our capital also. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. And if you're interested to learn, if you're looking for personal sessions, then obviously you can check out the link in the description. I have mentioned everything for the workshop. Okay, and most probably, okay, I will stop teaching from next year. Okay, I have plans. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care.